Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use AliExpress to dropship. So in the AliExpress application you should search for items and products with good reviews, low prices, reliable sellers, and fast shipping. And these items will be basically the items that you resell. I highly recommend you additionally to save the links to those products from AliExpress and images as well, because you will need to use them to publish in your own shop. So next you should create a store using external platforms. For example, it could be TikTok shop, Instagram shop, Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And then upload the photos of the products, of the product that you have saved earlier. Write description to your item and set your price higher than what you will pay on AliExpress so that you can earn some profit. And when someone places an order in your shop, go back to AliExpress, make an order and enter your customer's name and shipping address at the checkout, and the seller on AliExpress will ship the product directly to your customer. And the best thing of dropshipping on AliExpress is that you don't need to hold any inventory, and that is very convenient. The one thing that you should do is providing your customer tracking information and answer any questions as soon as possible. So that's basically it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave your thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.